Alright guys, hey, I'm gonna make some hot dog cheese wrapped in burger and bacon. What do you want to call that? I'm gonna make some cheesy bacon cheeseburger hot dogs. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making cheesy bacon hamburger hot dogs.
Bacon dogs, Mom.
Bacon cheese hamburger dogs.
Cheesy bacon
Cheesy hamburger bacon dogs. Didn't I just say that?
No.
Hamburger cheesy bacon dogs.
No. No, you no.
Cheeseburger hamburger bacon dogs.
Cheesy bacon dogs. Mozzarella.
All right, here they are. Anyway, so I have one package of the Oscar Mayer beef hot dogs. These are less than a gram per. These are less than 1 gram carb per link. I have just cut up some mozzarella cheese that I sliced the hot dogs down the middle and then stuffed them with cheese. I have a pound of ground beef that I used this McCormick hamburger seasoning on just to season it up. And then I just have a pack of bacon. I am going to take this and form it around a hot dog and then secure it with a piece of bacon and put it in the air fryer. Let's do this. So as you can see, I am encasing the hot dog in the burger.
The burger meat.
And until I'm ready for the bacon part, I'm just gonna sit that there.
That is seasoned.
I might have to use the other pound.
Seasoned it with this.
I already showed that, yeah.
Okay. What about the Worcestershire sauce?
No, I did not. I did put some Worcestershire sauce or whatever you want to call it in the meat. In the meats. This is not an easy feat.
Okay, I think it's...
Oh, I felt the hot dog wiggle around inside. It's kind of hard to do, but this is gonna be bomb. Oh my god, you guys, look at how they came out. Look at this massive log of perfection. Hot dog stuffed with cheese, wrapped in hamburger meat, wrapped in bacon. The cheese is oozing. That reminds me of a song. Damn, 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 crispity crunch. Yeah, comment below if you know that song. Here they are, guys, fresh out of the air fryer, oozing with cheese, wrapped in bacon, all glorious. Yum.